Hello everybody. I'm actually just going to make a brief video to you describing exactly how I have made my ePortfolio a little bit more accessible. So what I've done is I've gone to some of the exhibits that I've done so far, which I did previously in last semester, which is my UDL application exercise, Powtoon, a few different things, and I've made them a little bit more accessible in terms of the font. I have changed a few different ones. So what I'll do is I'll give you an example of how I've done that. I'll just go through, and what I've done to most of them is I've made them bold. And what making them bold does is it gives individuals the accessibility to actually read this better for them and actually understand it a little bit more. And I'll go into a little bit more detail in terms of how I've done this. So with a lot of these, as we've learned in this past semester, a lot of our fonts so far have been actually done through Google Classroom and Google Learning. So a lot of those fonts are already accessible to the individuals that we work with. So that is actually quite important. My accessibility page is a little bit in works right now, but what I will show you is this is going to be a video for the large print, and why I wanted to put this video for large print is just to show you that large print is extremely important. And you know, you can go back into the fact that you might think it could be just important to an individual who might be elderly and could, you know, might need a phone that actually has very, very visible text so they could see it, or numbers, or maybe even a little rubber thing on their phone that glow in the dark because the fact that the light hit it in a certain way. Things that can increase visibility are extremely important, not just for every person, but also for the fact of the individuals that we work with. They really, really benefit from the fact that they're going to be able to look through this page, access the information in a way that they're comfortable with, and hopefully retain it. And that's what we strive for as educational assistants in terms of being able to adapt to their style of learning. That might be something in terms of, obviously, large print. So that is going to be my video for large print. Thank you so much for taking the time to click this little button, and thanks a lot. I hope this page was made a little bit more accessible to you. Thanks again.